pricing is going back to actually normal. And if you see the pricing this year is much lower than last year.
We will be ready to start operations at the Lamu Port immediately Kenya fully contains the coronavirus pandemic. These were the assurances given by LAPSSET Director General in a recent interview here at KTN News. We revisit this multi-billion shilling port project that has been riddled with delays and what it will mean for Kenya's economy once it roars to life, as KTN's Abi Agina now reports.
Construction of one of Africa's largest ports, the Lamu South Sudan-Ethiopia Transport Corridor, LAPSSET, has been a rush against time. And now, the port is ready to kickstart operations, shrugging off the perennial funding hitches and land compensation delays that had dogged the project.
I'm foreseeing robust growth. The LAPSSET corridor is going to have a huge transformation.
In an exclusive interview with KTN's Noah Kipkemboi, LAPSSET Director General Mr. Sylvester Kasuku acknowledged that the port will be ready to be commissioned in a few months' time.
We have Lamu Port, which is planned with 32 mega berths. As we speak, we are currently constructing the first 3 berths, with the construction of the first berth already completed.
The LAPSSET project has so far seen the government spend 36 billion shillings in construction works.
We are also undertaking the master planning of a mega industrial city, which is going to be Africa's first.
LAPSSET is expected to link Kenya, Ethiopia and South Sudan, which would unlock immense trade and employment opportunities. According to Kasuku, on average, 80% of the works have been done thanks to a 782 staff regiment present at the Lamu site in coastal Kenya.
What we are saying is that we have such a huge opportunity and resource base in this country than we've ever realized.
In the wake of the coronavirus pandemic, Kasuku says works are still underway. The site has adhered to the government precautions and the area remains a COVID-free site. Although the LAPSSET project was to be completed by end of the year, delays have since choked the port of Mombasa in Kilindini. Cargo capacity remains stretched, which has affected the cost of importing goods into the country. There is, however, a glimmer of hope once LAPSSET is operational, as the port will be able to handle higher cargo capacities. For instance, the port will be able to dock bigger ships, which will be further buttressed with 3 berths, each with a handling capacity of over 22,000 containers, TEUs per berth. Will LAPSSET be the new jewel in the crown for Kenya's economy to rise and become the port of call in the east coast of Africa?